get out in nature.
All right, a friendly reminder just to get out in nature if weather permits for you and if you're in a position to do so. There's nothing like it, okay? No matter what it is you believe, but there's nothing like connecting with organic life form, grass, trees, right? Sun gazing. I don't know if you guys can see it. Look at that. Sun gazing. To help clear, refresh, ground, and center. Clear, refresh, ground, and center. Clear, refresh, ground, and center. Sometimes it's just a matter of stepping outside for a minute when we can. Disconnecting from being closed into four walls, cubicles, all of this stuff. Just all right, enjoying the sounds of nature. If that's a little bit too quiet, you can even put on sound frequencies, but just getting out. I just wanted to give a friendly reminder for those of you who are working through a lot, okay? Give yourself a gift. Get outside, put your feet in the grass, go hug a tree, go sit in the grass. Take a lot of cleansing breaths and then just connect with your breath. Asking your team just to help clear your energy. Clear, release, ground, and center. Clearing, releasing, grounding, and recentering and tapping back in. I'm quiet for a reason, just to give you guys a little bit of silence with some little background music here. Imagine if you can't be near the green, imagine you are sitting in the middle of the grass right there, being bothered by nobody, enjoying listening to the birds, listening to insects, listening to the wind, whatever, listening to your breath, looking at butterflies, birds. To my high vibers, I'm sending you all love and light.